Hey guys, how's everybody doing? So quick unboxing of K&N air filter, K&N panel filter in this case. This is going for a BMW E90, the 335d panel filter. So this filter is going to go in the original car's air box. This is the box that it comes in. It's quite a large air filter, as you would expect for this car. It's quite a big, quite a powerful engine, quite a big engine also. Sometimes you might get this on the box there where the oil has leaked from the filter. You know, sometimes the bag can split and they get a little bit of oil on the outside, but nothing at all to worry about. Doesn't affect the product at all. So this is the filter. It comes with the standard card, and then it comes with a sticker for the airbox, and then there's just a sticker for the car. It's got the angle cut off it. So the filter is 30 centimeters by 22.5 centimeters. Those are the two ones you really need, but if you also want to know the thickness, it's 40 millimeters, 45 millimeters. And that's basically it, guys. This is going to be the bottom of the filter. This is going to be the top. The air is going to go through here like so, and it's going to come out the bottom. You know, the flange is going to be the same as the factory filter, so it fits in the airbox. If you want to see a close-up of the filter. You see this red is just the oil that's in the filter. But guys, that's basically it. This is a K&N panel filter for a 335d E90. Are you going to fit this for more power? Look, you might get a bit more power, but I'm pretty sure it's not going to be noticeable. You're looking at very small percentages power-wise, 1-2%. What you're more likely to notice is a better throttle response, i.e. less delay between pushing the throttle and getting power from the engine. And also, you're probably going to get a little bit more noise coming from the engine because the cotton does not absorb so much sound as the original paper air filter. It might feel faster because you can hear the engine more, and because the throttle is more responsive, but on a dyno I'm not sure it's going to show anything. Anyway guys, so that's the K&N panel. Basically that's it guys, so thanks for watching. Please vote in the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you again next time.